The next thing we're going to do is transfer over some Bitcoin from Coinbase to show you how to receive Bitcoin, but we're also going to be buying Bitcoin within the app, that way you can see how that works and covering all of these other features. One thing that's very important that I want to show you early on is going to be here in the settings section, and that is going to be the inheritance section of the app. This is where you can manage your beneficiaries, benefactors, and other inheritance claims. So this is important, that way you can pass along your Bitcoin to a loved one in the event that you pass, and it's great that they have this built right here within the app. With that said, let's go ahead and receive some Bitcoin to our wallet address. What we're going to want to do first here is click on the receive button, and then we can choose where we are looking to receive Bitcoin from. We're going to click on another exchange or wallet because this is going to bring up our wallet address. Now, it's important to understand that this address only accepts Bitcoin or BTC as the symbol, and sending funds other than that will result in permanent loss of the funds. So you're only going to want to send Bitcoin to this address. We're going to now click here on copy, and we have now copied our address, and now we're going to head over to Coinbase. Within the Coinbase app here, you can see I have a small amount of Bitcoin. I don't know if it's enough to send, but if not, we'll buy a little bit extra. We're going to click here on Bitcoin, and we're now going to click here on transfer, and we want to send this to another wallet address. And it can see here that it now wants us to paste from Bitkey. We're going to click on allow paste. Now at this point, Coinbase has not allowed me to record the screen because of security reasons, but I will go ahead and take screenshots. So once you click on the transfer button and then send, you're going to be able to paste in from your clipboard. And then from this screen here, you'll have the option to send your Bitcoin. I currently have $3.79 available, so we're just going to try to send $1 worth of Bitcoin and see how that goes. It looks like we need about $11 of Bitcoin in order to send it over based on this minimum, and we need to top up here. So that is going to be the next step here, is topping up. So we're going to click here on continue to preview. And then all I have to do at this point is top up my Bitcoin balance using my US dollar coin, and then it's going to send that over. It says estimate of 46 seconds, and it's going to cost me $11.67. So 11 is the Bitcoin going over, and 67 cents is the network fee. We're going to click on top up and send now. And just like that, we got confirmation of the Bitcoin that we sent over. So from here, we're going to click on the done button, head back over to Bitkey, and see how long it takes to come over. And just like that, guys, that's sent over for us. We can see now a balance of 1101, and it took less than 1 minute. I don't have an exact time here, but it was very quick for this to send over.